Welcome to Baghdad. So we've just come out of our hotel and it's like 3 p.m. so we've been sleeping all this time because we got in so early this morning. So we're gonna head down one of these streets to find some food and see if we can do some sightseeing today. So Assalamu alaikum. So people doing shisha in their cars here, you can see. Just walk around to see what it's like here. I've been here for maybe 12 hours now and I've not even once felt unsafe in this entire area, in this entire time that I've been here. So it's actually been quite like other parts of the world that I've been to, like Turkey and kind of inner areas of India, maybe some parts of Morocco as well. But I was told also that Baghdad as a city is one of the safest places in Iraq. So I think it's blocked off over there, so we'll have to see if we can get through. This camera has been giving me so many issues with the shaky footage and everything. It's a GoPro Hero 8 and I thought the footage would actually come out quite nice, but I've just been experiencing shaky footage and that's why it took quite a while getting out of the hotel. Assalamu alaikum. Bikhair. Yeah, so the guards and everyone, the police officers, they're extremely nice here. So as you can see here, there's a lot of people walking and they're going towards an area called Al-Khadim. Assalamu alaikum. Bikhair, bikhair. So yeah, everyone's extremely friendly here. I was told before coming here that people are going to be really friendly, and they are, assalamu alaikum. They are actually extremely friendly, addictively friendly. It's very easy to talk to people here, get on with people. So we're going to take a taxi because that area, because of this walk that's going on, there's no place that's open in this area to eat. So we're going to have to find a taxi driver that can take us to this area called, I think, 62 Street or something. So let's have a look to find out. Assalamu alaikum. Taxi? Taxi.
Taxi. Abu Ibrahim. Abu Ibrahim. Abu Ibrahim. Good. يلا هذا نوري.
Assalamu alaikum. So let's get the taxi. Bismillah. كيف حالك؟ بخير؟ أخي.
تغدون وترجعون لي جاي لو تبغون يمه يعني؟ انتظركم يمه يعني؟
ممكن نحن يعني نكون في هذا المكان لساعة ساعتين. أنا بعد يعني تاكسي إن شاء الله.
بعدها وين تروحون؟
ما؟
بعدها وين ترجعون؟
بعد كم ساعة؟
اي بعد كم ساعة وين يعني يصير رحلتكم وين؟
ساعة أو ساعتين.
أدري وين ترجعون؟ يا مكان ترجعون؟
رويال جاردن هوتيل. هذا هوتيل في سعدون.
هوتيل سعدون.
نعم.
تبغون يمه؟
أنا أريد أن أذهب تعرف مارترز مونيومنت.
يعني شنو؟
شهيد يعني هذا أزرق. يعني
اي
بعيد من هناك. اليوم مفتوح أو؟
اي مفتوح. يم سندباد.
أنا أكل وبعد
نصب الشهيد. اي عادي ناكل وبعدين نروح.
نعم. أنت يعني تنتظر هناك أو؟
أنزل عادي أبقى وياك.
كيف العيش في بغداد؟
خير.
تحب. So we've come to a place here which is recommended by the taxi driver called Mut'am al-Aish al-Dhahabi or something. So that place didn't work out because the only thing they have is rice. في بغداد؟ سياحة نعم. أول مرة في بغداد. So we finally found another restaurant. We're gonna see if this place is any good. So we've got half a chicken here, which looks absolutely delicious, and we've got some like this accompanies the food, which is like a meat soup, the salad here, fresh bread, and some bean soup here. So yeah, let's dig in. So this chicken gets a 9 out of 10 for me. Full of flavour, jam-packed. It's a little bit on the salty end, but I can't complain. This food is incredibly delicious. I'm gonna try it with the rice now. Oh, no. We could not finish the food, it's so much, and you can see there's still quite a lot left. We might just take it with us. Look at those chickens. We're on our way now to check out one of the main sites in Baghdad called Martyrs Monument. Martyrs Monument is basically a site that has been set up to commemorate some of the soldiers that fought for the country a while back. So we're on our way there right now, and we'll show you the place. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like this kind of like a dome cracked in half with a very highlighted blue. So we're on our way there now, so let's go and see what it's like. We'll just show you some of the roads here. So there's police everywhere at night, daytime, securing this place. So the misconceptions that people have about it being unsafe and dangerous is completely false. So you can just see it there, the Martyrs Monument just there behind. ما تقول للناس من يخاف أن يأتي إلى العراق؟ ما تقول؟
العراق أمان وعراس، أي واحد يجي عراس. أشوف لك يطبقون على اسم الشهيد لو لا، وخاف شيء زيارة مقلق يعني.
مقلق الآن؟
أي خاف شيء زيارة مقلق.
So the site that we were going to visit is actually closed right now. We're just going to find out if it is actually open. So the site, which is just over there, is actually closed today because of all the march that's going on here. So we're gonna head back in the car and see if we can go to another site. So they can see that there's a swimming pool just there. It's called Baghdad Aqua Park, and then there's a theme park here. I think there's a theme park just over there as well called Sindabad, or just over there. So yeah, this is probably where everyone chills out. Yeah, so basically because of everything that's going on, not a lot of places are open right now, so we're just going to drive.
هذا باب الشرج. المسيحي لا يلبس جبة، لا يلبس الحجاب. النساء.
So we've now come to the tomb of Hazrat Abdul Qadir al-Jilani. There's a beautiful masjid here.
النخلة الثانية باب الدخول.
الله في الباب وهذا الدخول.
اوكي. وهناك
لأن هاي سيارتنا ما عليه شيء ذاك شوية. ها؟ هاي سيارتنا. ما عليه شيء ذاك شوية. أذهب أنا.
Got all sorts of sale here, from clothes, shirts, socks, some rugs, maybe prayer mats, shoes. Very eventful, a lot going on here. And you've got like abayas and jackets and things like that here as well. And then across here you've got like all sorts of foods and nuts and sweets and biscuits and all sorts of stuff. So I'm just going to check on the map where we are exactly. I downloaded the offline map. So this area is called Sharjah, which is not far from where we're staying. And yeah, it looks like it's a very busy street, and it doesn't look like it's been affected by the people who are marching or walking through to the Kazim area. The Turkish Delight here. Yeah, it's very nonchalant here, very relaxed, chilled vibes. It's Saturday and people are just out and about relaxing with their families. تفتيش نساء واحد رجال واحد. I've got some pictures of the mosque inside, which I'll just put up now. It's absolutely breathtaking inside. It's quite empty inside, but we were told by a driver that it does pick up in Ramadan. It was a really nice experience walking inside and visiting the two tombs. But we're on our way back now, back to the hotel, and we're probably going to call it quits on this video for now. So thanks very much for watching. First impressions of Baghdad, I'm loving it, 10 out of 10. It's been delicious food, amazing people, a very nice and chillaxed vibe. And yeah, just before the sun sets, we're heading back to the hotel. We've got more exciting videos coming up, so stay tuned. And yeah, for now, I'll let you guys go. Assalamu alaikum. I want to once again say thanks to Khalid for everything that he's shown us, and hope you appreciate the video, and we'll see you on another one inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.